Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you the process for permanently deleting your Trello account. Whether you are moving to a different platform or just want a clean slate, you will find all the necessary instructions right here. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. This is the hub where all your boards, cards, and projects are managed. Once you arrive at the homepage, go to the top right corner and click the Login button. You can sign in using your email address or your Google account credentials. Choose the method that works best for you to access your profile. Once you have logged in and reached your dashboard, look at the upper right corner again and click on your account icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select the Manage Account option. This will redirect you to a page for your specific account settings. From this screen, click on Account Preferences to access deeper configuration options. While Trello offers many ways to customize your experience, we are focusing on the deletion process. Scroll down the Preferences list until you find the section labeled Delete Account and click that link. Trello will now begin the deactivation sequence. To ensure this is an intentional choice, a confirmation window will pop up. This is a vital step because deleting your account is a permanent action that cannot be reversed. Make sure you have saved any essential data or shared boards you might need later. After the initial confirmation, you might be asked to click the Delete Account button once or twice more to finalize the request. Each click confirms your desire to permanently remove your profile. Finally, after those last few clicks, Trello will process your request and your account will be deactivated. Keep in mind that this deletion is absolute. Once finished, all your data is gone forever with no recovery options. It is always smart to back up important information before you start. You should now have a clear understanding of how to close your Trello account for good. If you run into trouble, the Trello Help Center is a great resource. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.